from Google Business Profile and Business Directory, right? So I believe that most of us are using Google, but yet we don't know that we could actually make a lot of money from Google, right? And people that also know business directories. Business directories are just like, online arsenal of, businesses details, right? So that is business directory basically. And so who am I? Who am I, guys? Why do you care to listen to me, right? So my name is Abib, and I'm the founder of WP Business School. And in the next 45 minutes, you are going to learn my exact strategy on how I make 1.5 million from Google Business Profile as well as Business Directory without selling anything whatsoever, without selling any e-commerce product, without selling any informational products. So if you don't, even if you don't have a skills, you can still benefit from this session, definitely. So don't forget, at the end of this webinar, I'm going to give you a secret link where you can download everything I'm going to be saying to you today. So, and you have to be watching live. You have to be here with me live till the end of the session so that you could be, you could benefit from what I'm going to share to you and at the end of this webinar. So notes, so this webinar, there is not going to be a replay for it. So, because I believe that I've been announcing this for the past a month, and if you actually take your life seriously and you know that, oh, you have to take care of your finance, right? You have to make sure that you are here. This is a free webinar, of course. So why wouldn't you be here? I'm not charging you anything to be on this webinar. So that's why I'm not going to be leaving this replay, because the information I'm going to be giving you here is not for everybody, right? It's just for, serious-minded people that they know that they need to improve from point A to point B. So, and if you have a network issue right now, I will advise you to move to where you have a better network, right? So that you can have you can follow me through. So, and I know there is a lot of distraction, right? So every now and then we are faced with one distraction or the other. So if you are on your Facebook currently, take your time, don't rush. Go and close your Facebook, or maybe you are on your email. So close your email, turn off your other phone, so that nobody will call you. So, and because I need your complete attention on this webinar. So in case your phone is like this, right? If your phone is like this, right? So you need to change it to a landscape. Change it from portrait to landscape so that you will not be distracted. Because if your phone is like this, you might be getting some notification, that might distract you from being concentrated to this webinar. So change your phone to landscape. So I will wait for a couple of seconds for you to change it. Change your phone to landscape. If you don't know how to change it, go to you. I believe you're on YouTube already. You will see, something like a circle at the, beside where you're watching it from. Just click on it. So it will change to something like this by itself, right? So you are probably wondering, why am I qualified to teach you money? Why am I qualified to? So let me know if you have done that. Let me know if you have, before I move on, let me know if you have changed your phone from portrait to landscape. So I think I got yes from Minus Motivation. You've changed that. Do you have any other person that has changed his or her own? Let me know in the comments if you have changed it. I'm waiting for you guys. Let's do it ASAP, so that I will not, waste a lot of your time. I cannot see any comment. I cannot see anything in the comments. If you don't get it, let me know in the comments. Okay. Done. Muiz done. Okay. Fatima done. Good. So if you have not done that, you need to actually do that. So why am I qualified to teach you this actually? So as you all know, some people here, they are my friend, right? And some people don't know me, right? So my name is Abib, and I grew up in a rural community, right? A rural community where there is no internet. There is level to internet, right? There is internet and there is internet. Any internet that is not allowing you to, that is disturbing you, is not allowing you to do something very fast, I don't consider it as an internet, right? So, and fast forward in my life, at a point in time when I was in 20, when I was in 20 and I didn't have access to phone, right? Do you know? I mean, that is crazy, right? You could not imagine that because I came from a rural community. So because I don't have access to internet, despite of having a smartphone, right? In fact, it was until when I was in undergrad, when I was in school, that I was able to lay my hand on computer whatsoever. Computer, I didn't lay my hand on computer. The only time I lay my hand on computer when I went for jam exam and all of that. But having my own personal computer or getting a day-to-day interaction with computer, I didn't have that until I was in 200 level in my university. So you could imagine how crazy it was for me, right? You could imagine what my background could be, by not having access to computer at the, till my undergraduate level, till my 200 level, right? That is very crazy, right? If you imagine what my background could be like, right? In fact, let me shock you. I didn't go out of my community until I was 22, right? I didn't go out of my community where I was born, until I was 22. So I believe some people also have the same story with me. So let's go. But fast forward to today, right? I graduated as a best graduate student in my department. I graduated with over 400 students. I have over 400 students in my class, and I was the one of the best graduating students, right? And after my undergraduate year, I got a position to, okay, before I graduated, even I was teaching in my school as a teaching assistant for my lecturer, and I was doing some kind of tutorial for other, some of my colleagues, right? In fact, when I was done, I also, out of my passion for education, I was hired to as a research assistant and teaching assistant, at Luffelty Polytechnic, right? And fast forward, I also founded the Digital Gem Foundation. Digital Gem Foundation is a non-profit organization, that teach people on, anything STEM, related tech of a thing and digital of a thing, digital skill and all of that. And currently, I have over 50 people under my mentorship, being the founder of digital marketing, DGF, Digital Gem Foundation. And just last year, I won a Commonwealth Award because of the work I do at Digital Gem Foundation, right? So you could not, don't take community engagement, community development, don't take it lightly, guys. A lot of people are watching. Because of the work I do at Digital Gem Foundation, I was able to recognize by the Commonwealth. So, and they recognized my work and they awarded me with a 1,000, prize of dollar, right? So I also founded DMI Digital Marketing Agency. So DMI Digital Marketing Agency is a UK registered marketing agency. So you can imagine where I was coming from and what my life is what my life is becoming, right? I was coming from a community where there is no internet, right? I was coming from a community where I was at the disadvantage, right? But yet, because of what I'm going to show you today, I was able to transcend, into achieving all this. So currently, I sit as a co-founder and head of growth, for DMI Digital Marketing Agency, and we are actually registered in the UK. So let me know if you are joining me. Okay. So, okay, let me just shoot. So I made my first 1 million naira when I was in school, and that was in 2019. And so this will shock you, right? And you could not believe that I made the money and I also lost the money. I lavished the money, right? I made my first 1 million naira when I was in 2019 when I was in school with the work I do, which what I'm going to be showing you today. That's the exact thing I do, to make my first 1 million naira. But I blown out the money, right? Because of the useful exuberance. When you are young, you don't know what to do with your money and all of that. So I was also recognized by Middle East Africa as best digital marketing strategist. And I'm also a founder of WP Business School, so a global destination for learning and rewarding web developments and designing career. So I've also authored many books, right? I author how to make your first 1 million naira on your smartphone, and what press debugging handbook, as well as the business opportunity of the metaverse. So this is just tips of an iceberg about me. I have a lot of profile that I could not be sharing with you guys here. So, and this is me, guys. This is me. Just last year, I traveled out of the country and I traveled to like three countries. I was in Asia, Qatar, Pakistan, India, right? And this is me. So this is me presenting what I know. This is me presenting what I'm going to show you today, right? You could see me right there. I was the one presenting over there, and this is where the presentation happened. And this is me also presenting my thing, to these guys. And yeah, this is also me. You can see me right there. So yeah, and this is it. As I have said, I won um, best digital marketing strategy award. Nigerian Pakistani best digital marketing award, and this is the certificate. Because of this, this is where I was doing the presentation, right? This is where I was doing the presentation. This is the building that we use. This is me doing my presentation as usual. And so that presentation got me this award, as you can see. So, and that is just about me. So this is also me chilling with my friend in Asia just last year, and this is also me, right? This is my friend from Germany, and this is my friend from um, Turkey. This is my friend from Turkey. Yeah, this is also me in Qatar airport. This is my friend from Mexico. So yeah, I'm just showing you to know that my background, I don't let my background to determine what I could be in life, right? So, and this is my friends, right? And this is also my friends. We are just chilling out right there. This is also my friend from Egypt, my friend from from Mexico as well. So Imagine what